French teams. I'm Natum and the other members are Kiet and Bảo Khánh. We are going to talk about food chain. First, what is a food chain? A food chain is the chain that contains a producer and consumers, sometimes a decomposer. What is a producer? A producer is a living thing that makes its own food, like the plants or the grass. The consumer, well, the living thing that doesn't make its own food. It eats other living things to live or get energy. And the decomposer, well, it is a living thing that destroys tiny parts of dead living things. Producer is usually consumer. And next is Kiet, and he's gonna talk how to make a food chain.
Hello everyone, my name is Kiet, and today I will talk about the food chain. The food chain has two main parts that Natum already talked about. The two parts are the producer, the consumer, and if you want to plus one more, it can be the decomposer. And now, I will show you how to draw the food chain. The first thing, you need to write the producer name, like that one, in the like the grass, and then you write the arrow to show that the consumer eats the producer. And then you write the consumer name. And if you want to plus one more, you can be the decomposer. And now it's Bảo Khánh turn. He's the third speaker.
Okay. Morning, everybody. My name is Bảo Khánh, and over the tongue and 28 part, you know all about the food chain, what parts it have, and how it works. So now let's review. So a food chain is actually a chain in which energy gets passed from the producer to your squares to consumer. There'd be many in some cases, like this one. There'd be a grasshopper, a chicken, and a person. After that, there could be a decomposer, but it could not be mixed up. Actually, it could not be from like producer, consumer, and then decomposer. Mix it up to consumer, producer, and decomposer. Because, why? So, the consumer will not make his own food, and the producer will not just eat the consumer. So, here's a few examples. We have the wheat, a hen eats the wheat, after that, a cat eats the hen, then lastly, a human eats the cat. After that, the human dies, fungus is the decomposer, breaks it down. Or another one. We still have wheat, but now it's only human. So it's much more simple. It's wheat to the human. After human dies, mushroom will get into the body and break it down. That is the end of the presentation of the French fries team. Thank you for listening and see you again.